10 of these 2x2 pieces, 11 of these 2x4 pieces, 4 of these arch pieces that fit onto wheels, 1 of this thing, a chair, a steering wheel, of course, 1 of these 3x2 pieces, 1 of this big piece. If you don't have it, you can use platforms. If you don't have it, you can use platforms. 2 of these 2x2 flat pieces, 2 of the long pieces. Make sure they're longer than 4, at least 6 or 8. And then 4 wheels that have a thing that connects with this. And then let's start building.